Welcome. In this video I will show you how to uninstall apps on your Windows 11. The process is very simple, so don't waste time and let's begin. First, right-click on the Start menu. From the results, click on Installed Apps. A new window will open showing a list of all installed applications on your system. Scroll through the list or use search bar to find the app you want to remove. Click on the app and you will see the uninstall button appear. Click uninstall and confirm your choice by clicking uninstall again. If the app has its own uninstaller, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the uninstallation is finished, the app will be completely removed from your system. You can repeat the same process for any apps you no longer need. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall apps on your Windows 11 quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Bye.